And it feels so good.
People were bracing for the end. Hell is where we're all reaching. This clash is all of our ideals, asking answers to those who have no will. I think it's better to pray, pray, pray. I think it's better to pray, pray. I think it's better to pray, 'cause what we have is real. I think it's better to pray, pray. See the earth, it shakes, it burns, it tears. And people look up, and the clouds are at fear. And the sun and the moon in the atmosphere. And the light in the world is also near. All you mothers and fathers and sons and daughters, the war's at your door. What you waiting for? Better pray, pray. Better pray. It's better to pray, pray. 'Cause we're broken into pieces. Yeah, we're broken into pieces. Yeah, we're broken into pieces. Yeah, we're broken into pieces. It's better to pray, pray. It's better to pray, pray.